The next two things we're going to look at are two of the most common mistakes that golfers make when it comes to driving strategy. And the first would be called chasing angles. Here we can see a shot pattern that is perfectly placed where all of the tee shots will leave a clear approach to the green. What you will notice though is the balls in the left part of that shot pattern have to go over a bunker. And many people, in an attempt to avoid this, would think of aiming their tee shots further right. And this is where the mistake is made. Although it may be a case that not hitting your approach shots over that bunker is an advantage, the amount of shots in the right part of our shot pattern that are going to end up in the trees off the tee are simply going to cause more damage to our scores than the potential benefit of having a better angle to the green. So it is very rarely the case that we should think of the approach shots when planning our tee shot. And secondly, we have the shape of shot we use. As a general rule, with our stock shot, we're going to have a certain shape. In this case, we can see the image of a fade where all shots are finishing in play. But for whatever reason, whether it be a fairway that curves the other way, whether it be wind off the side, golfers will sometimes consider whether they should shape the ball the other way, so turning their fade into a draw. And the biggest issue with this is if we're going against our stock shot, our dispersion is going to be wider because we aren't as skilled with that shot. So even if it does fit the hole or maybe suits the wind direction, the loss of accuracy is almost always going to outweigh the benefits.